Our new grammar lesson is about active and passive voices. First of all, we have to know that both voices are used in writing, mostly the active voice. When I say active, this means that the subject is doing the action. For example, Neil Armstrong landed the Apollo lunar module on the moon in 1969. So Neil Armstrong is the one who did the action of landing. When I say passive voice, this means that the subject receives the action. For example, the Apollo lunar module was landed on the moon in 1969 by Neil Armstrong. So here the subject, which is the Apollo lunar module, is receiving the action. Okay, so it's very easy to distinguish between the active voice and the passive voice. The active voice is stronger and emphasizes that performer, the one who's doing the action. Use the passive voice when you want to emphasize the receiver of the action or de emphasize the performer. Sometimes you either don't know who the performer is, which means the person is doing the action, or you might know but you don't want to give emphasis or to show who the performer is. So then you use the passive voice. When I say the moon was reached in 1969, this focuses on the event, okay, that someone reached the moon. I don't care who did it, but I care that it was reached. The spacecraft was landed. Also, here, I don't care or I don't know who landed the spacecraft, but I know that the spacecraft was landed.